Hey guys, Bianca Jade here. So skincare is one of my favorite topics ever, and self-care rituals are my passion. I've never been shy talking about these things. And as summer rolls out, I wanted to give you guys an unfiltered look at my face. So first thing I want to say is that I love my skin. I'm grateful for it. I practice self-love. So this is not me criticizing myself. This is me sharing my skincare story and struggles with melasma, aka spotting, aka hyperpigmentation. I can't really pinpoint the exact time I started getting brown blotchy spots on my face because it happened gradually. I remember my esthetician saying to me that she could treat the freckled patches below my eyes, and I think this was actually the first time it was brought to my attention. I always thought that those spots were sun freckles. In a way, they are, but melasma is actually caused by a combination of factors, external and internal. External being sun exposure and heat, and internal being your hormones. You can also get melasma from taking birth control, which is obviously related to your hormones. So these are some pics of me with melasma at my worst. Melasma and this kind of spotting is common in people that are Latino and of Mediterranean descent. So these are people with olive skin tones who have a lot of melanin under their skin. Melasma can be hard to entirely diminish, but there are topical skincare products like this one that can really help to fade and reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. This is Dr. Dennis Gross Vitamin C Lactic 15% Vitamin C Firm and Bright Serum. This is what I use daily in the evenings to help me fade and reduce my melasma. Here's why I love it. I wanted to see improvements in brightening and fading of these areas of my face. Additionally, vitamin C is known to help with skin firmness and is associated with healthy collagen levels and anti-aging. I'm in love with all things anti-aging. I'm gonna show you how to use this product, but first it's important to spot test the night before to assess your sensitivity to it. And make sure you have a good facial SPF to pair with it. When treating with vitamin C lactic, you're gonna wanna use SPF the following day because it might make you a little bit sensitive or prone to sunburn. So I like applying the serum directly to my face, because that way I don't waste any product on my fingertips or on palms of my hands. And if you notice, I did not touch the dropper to my face to keep the dropper clean and free of contamination. I gently press and massage the product into the areas where I have hyperpigmentation, bringing it into my lips and gently over my nose. I do this on the other side for a total of 6 drops, bringing it to just all those places where I have spots. I always make sure to try and get enough product on my forehead and around my eyes and just tap it in, because these are the areas where I see the most fine lines and that I want to firm up the most. Then I just allow it to dry. While it's drying on my face, I like to get the back of my hands, because this is an area that can really benefit from firming and exfoliation. What I've noticed since I started using this product is that my face is looking less dark, speckled, and blotchy, especially in these cheek areas. I am now so conscious about my daily sun exposure and what ingredients I'm using to treat my spots, because I always want to look my best, especially unfiltered. Let's be honest, skincare is confidence.